Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello, gardeners. In this video, I will explain how to get rainbow blossoms in Grow a Garden. These vibrant plants are incredibly rare and offer a massive 50 times multiplier to their sale value, making them highly sought after. We'll go through the essential steps and strategies to help you cultivate these beautiful and profitable plants in your own garden. To begin your journey, you'll need candy blossom seeds, which are sometimes available during special in-game events. Next, gather a variety of sprinklers, including basic, advanced, godly, and master types. These are crucial for boosting mutation chances. Also, keep an eye out for super seeds in the Forever Pack, as they provide a much higher likelihood of golden or rainbow crops. To maximize your chances, strategically stack multiple sprinklers around your plants. This can increase your rainbow mutation odds to about 5%. Additionally, some pets, such as the butterfly, can transform a mutated fruit into a rainbow one every 29 minutes. For an extra edge, remain in the game for 75 consecutive minutes to gain a 50% luck boost. Once you have your seeds and tools, plant them carefully and provide consistent watering to encourage growth. When your plants are fully grown, harvest your precious rainbow blossoms. Remember, these rare plants come with a fantastic 50 times multiplier to their sale value, making them incredibly profitable. Happy gardening, and may your garden be filled with vibrant rainbow treasures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.